Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the glycoprotein and their functions. So first one is the structural proteins. So structural proteins, it includes the glycoprotein, that is a collagen. It gives a support structural component. Then comes lubricant is the mucins. Then is the transport. Transport, it includes transferrin as well as the ceruloplasmin. Then is the immunologic. Immunologic, it includes the immunoglobulins, the histocompatibility complexes or antigens. Then comes the hormone. Hormone is nothing but the chronic gonadotropin as well as the presence of TSH. Then comes the presence of the enzyme. Enzyme, it includes the alkaline phosphatase, that is nothing but the ALP. Then we're moving on to the antifreeze. Antifreeze, it includes the plasma proteins or the cold water and also the presence of the fish. Now, what regulates the folding of proteins? The regulation of folding of proteins is carried out by a calnexin as well as a calreticulin. So, cal is used. Then is the hemostasis. Hemostasis is specific glycoproteins on the surface membranes of the platelets. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.